In this video, we are going over what to do when you have no money, you have no job, and you just seem to not be able to get yourself out of the financial rut you find yourself in. We're going to be going over how you can remedy this and really set yourself up for life with these universal principles that's coming up next. Hi guys, my name is Dave and this is HeartSpace, where we are helping you to live more the life that you want to live, helping you unchain your potential and move more from a space of your heart. So if you want videos every single day that go over the universal laws, how to live the life you want to live more and more, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon down below. Now today, I want to go over what you can do when you just don't have the money that you want, when maybe you don't even have a job and you're looking for ways to bring in more income and revenue. Now, these ideas, if you take them on board, if you put faith into them, will absolutely transform your financial life if, again, you actually participate in this video and then continue these processes, continue to take action from these ideas even after you sign off the video. Now guys, the first thing that I want you to do is write down in the comments, I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. Now we do this for a few different reasons. One, we're going to be going over money mindset and why you might find yourself in a struggling kind of position when it comes to this. And two, putting this in the comments does two things. It helps to rewire your brain to instead think in this way instead of to think of lack and absence and poverty. And it also gets you to participate and actually take some action with this video. Because if you just watch this video all the way through and then sign off and then never think about it again, nothing is going to change for you. But if you write that down in the comments, remember that thing you wrote down, and then you continue to take action from this video, things will change for you. And that first action I want you to take is to write that down. I am wealthy and money comes easily to me. One of the biggest things that crushes people when it comes to money, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to the job they want, when it comes to the friends they want, when it comes to living in the places they want to live, is doubt. You know, that is one of the main blocks that people have in life, is they doubt their ability to bring in more money. They doubt their ability that they are deserving of good friends. They doubt themselves when it comes to them in social situations or creating the connections they need or creating content like this if you want to be a YouTuber. They have so many doubts around so many different things. And the way the universe works is if you project out into the universe, if you project the energy of doubt, all you're going to receive back are things that are equivalent to doubt. And so if we come from the perspective of prosperity, of wealth, of money, of a job, which is what this video is about, if you are always putting out these doubts of like, I can never get a job, you're doubting your ability to even get a job, to get something that's going to bring money in. I doubt I can bring money in, I just can't do it. Well, you're only going to receive things that are on that level. No one who makes a lot of money has doubt about making money. No one who has a job that they truly love had doubts about receiving the job they truly love. They had total certainty that it would happen, and then they did the things every single day that came to them from inspiration because they were on that wavelength. You see, with the law of attraction, it's not that you think something and it just manifests by itself. There are still things you have to do. There's a reason I said you have to take certain actions after this video. So many people think they'll just think certain thoughts and then things will fall out of the sky. No, what's going to happen is the universe is going to line up certain circumstances and events in your life that you then need to take the action on. So think of it this way. When you think more of prosperity, it's not that money is going to fall into your lap, although they're at an extreme level that might happen, but that's not what we want to rely on here. What's going to happen is now the universe is going to open more doors for you. For example, you might be thinking of prosperity and you might have total certainty that prosperity is going to come into your life, that wealth is coming, that I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. Remember, write that down, because when you truly believe that with total certainty, the universe will start bringing people into your life that are on the same wavelength, the same frequency, the same energy. So now suddenly you have opportunities to meet someone that may be able to help you get that amazing dream job that you want. You might have people come into your life that are going to help you financially in some way. You might have ideas that start to come in that are like, wow, I could make money that way. Wow, I have this talent and ability that other people are making money on. Maybe I can do that. That's how this works. The energy starts first at the level of thought. And so by shifting your energy from one of I can't do it and doubt to one of I can do it and I am a money magnet and I am wealthy will start to bring you thoughts and inspired thoughts that are in alignment with that. So your job in this co-creative process is then to take action. Don't allow the universe to deliver you that idea, that person, that circumstance that's actually going to change your situation and then not take the action. Because again, this is not an inactive process. This is a process where, yes, you need to be believing in the thing that you want, but then what does someone who believes they're wealthy do? They take the action. What does someone who believes they can get their dream job do? They take the action. You can't just sit on the couch and expect it to fall into your lap. You have to have the thoughts, the energy, the belief, and then take the congruent action that is on the same playing field, on the same frequency as that thoughts. Again, the universe, even in your life right now, might be opening a ton of doors for you. Like, here's door number 1, here's door number 2, here's door number 57. Why won't you walk through? That kind of rhymed. That was nice. But the point is, if you're thinking the thoughts, the doors will be open to you. But if you then go back to doubts and fear and all these other things, the doors will be slammed shut before you've even had a chance to notice them, or you have noticed them and you come up with a million excuses. And when you come up with an excuse to why you can't step through that door, the universe will just gently shut that door and give it to someone else. And that's how it works. So here is the simple process, kind of a little more simplified for you on how to bring more money into your life and how to get your dream job. And you can apply this to anything. It doesn't matter what. But the first thing is you need to change your beliefs, and you do that through your thoughts. So whenever you catch yourself having a thought of doubt, that's the easiest way to look at this. Whenever you have a doubt or a fear thought, recognize that that's not what you want to be and change it. So for example, if you have a thought like, I just don't know how to earn money, I can't do it, you need to shift that immediately, interrupt the pattern and go, wait a second, no, I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. And you need to feel it. You need to convince yourself that that is the reality. You need to feel it and believe it's true, because if you have any doubt, this doesn't work, right? Because you have full certainty that you can't do it. That's why you end up not doing it. You need to change the certainty from not being able to being able to, okay? So that's the first step. You need to recreate that identity you have around money, around jobs, around whatever it is. Next, guys, is you need to listen. You need to pay attention to the synchronicities, to the thoughts that come in, to the people that come into your life, because it has to happen by law that when you are in tune with something, that the equivalent or whatever's on that wavelength, that frequency has to come into your life. That means the people that start coming in are coming in for a reason. The thoughts you're starting to receive are being received for a reason. The inspired action you feel like taking is coming in for a reason. But if you let fear cloud all of that and you don't do it, again, the door is going to be closed one by one. So the simple process is change your identity around money, around yourself, your belief system, through your thoughts, interrupt the patterns, and then take the inspired action. When the universe gives you something on a silver platter, like that idea of that thing you can build, or that person you can reach out to, or that event that for some reason you're being drawn to, maybe to make connections, whatever it is, you need to then take inspired action. You need to see that you're bigger than the fear that will come up, which is just your old belief system. It's your old story. And here's the thing about fear. The moment you take the first step in spite of fear, the moment the fear comes up and you go, I'm going to do it anyway, and you take that leap, the fear goes away almost immediately. It'll go away, and you'll realize every single time, what was I so scared of? This is nothing now. This is easy. Like, why was I scared of talking to that person? Why was I scared of reaching out to that person? Why was I scared of just taking that action? Because now that I've done it, it was simple. And now we're starting to see how money is coming to us easily. These simple actions that you may have been fearful of doing in the past. And guys, you just then rinse and repeat. And if you do that, I guarantee by law, more money will come in your life. If you're looking for a specific job, a dream job, and you've actually mapped out what that job is, here's another thing I'll give you. Write out exactly what it is you want to do in as much detail as you can. Put it in a journal and look at it often, and I promise you, the universe will start to move things around so it comes to fruition, so long as you do everything else we've gone over in this video. All right, guys, you know, I really want you to be successful. I really want you to be abundant. I want you to be all of these things, but ultimately it doesn't matter what I want. I can give you the invitation through these videos. I can give you the wisdom, the information through these videos, but to take the actions, that's up to you. And again, start by writing that thing down in the comments I went over, which is I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. If you can have total certainty in that statement, oh my God, your life will transform, flip upside down immediately, total 180. If you can put faith in that statement, I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. First step is writing it in the comments here. Guys, I want to thank you for tuning into this video. It really is a privilege. It really is an honor to be able to create these for you. I am so grateful that I get to do this, to share what I've learned and experienced with you. And I would love to hear your results with these as well. So always feel free to reach out to me and let me know, the results you're getting, because actually hearing these ideas have an impact is one of my favorite things. All right, guys, I'll stop getting all gushy. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.